This is the 2027 Lexus TZ, and if Lexus wanted to build an electric luxury SUV that looks bold, elegant, and futuristic at the same time, this might be the shape to watch. Welcome back to Auto Tech Report. Today, we are taking a first look at the 2027 Lexus TZ, finished in shaded ivy with a beige luxury interior. From these images, this SUV presents a strong new direction for Lexus. Clean, electric design, a wide, premium stance, high-end detailing, and a cabin that feels more like a private lounge than a regular family SUV. Starting at the front, the 2027 Lexus TZ immediately looks serious and futuristic. The front end is tall, wide, and almost architectural, giving the SUV a very commanding road presence. Instead of a traditional large grille, the face uses a cleaner EV-style closed panel with a Lexus badge placed proudly in the center. The slim, horizontal LED headlights give the front a sharp and high-tech look, while the darker lower lighting elements add depth and aggression. The black angular trim on both sides of the front fascia makes the design feel more sculpted and more premium. It gives the TZ that concept car personality, but still keeps the design believable for a modern electric Lexus SUV. The lower bumper is wide and clean with horizontal detailing that makes the vehicle look broader. From the straight-on front view, the SUV feels planted, confident, and very upscale. Moving to the side, the shaded ivy paint really gives this Lexus TZ a unique character. It is not a loud color, but it looks expensive, deep, and sophisticated under sunlight. The green-gray tone works perfectly with the black roof, dark window trim, and large black wheels. The side profile is boxy and upright, giving the TZ a strong, full-size SUV presence. The long body, tall glass area, flush-style door handles, and smooth body panels make it look modern without becoming too extreme. The wheel arches are strong, the stance is wide, and the overall shape feels like Lexus is blending luxury SUV confidence with next-generation electric SUV design. This is not a small crossover trying to look premium. This looks like a true luxury electric SUV built for presence, comfort, and status. At the rear, the 2027 Lexus TZ keeps the same clean and futuristic personality. The back end is flat, wide, and very geometric. The full-width LED light bar stretches across the tailgate, with Lexus lettering placed cleanly in the center. This detail makes the rear look more modern and more expensive, especially when the red light bar is illuminated. The vertical taillight elements on the outer corners help frame the back of the SUV and give it a unique signature. The tailgate is smooth and simple, with the TZ450E badge placed neatly on the side. Since this is an electric SUV, the rear bumper stays clean with no exhaust outlets, which makes the design feel more refined and more future-focused. From the rear three-quarter angle, the TZ looks even stronger. The wide tires, tall body, black roof, and muscular shoulders make the SUV feel powerful without needing aggressive fake vents or unnecessary details. Inside, the 2027 Lexus TZ switches from bold exterior presence to calm luxury. The beige interior creates a bright, open, and premium atmosphere. It pairs beautifully with the darker lower trim, satin metal accents, and subtle blue ambient lighting. The dashboard has a clean and modern layout with a wide digital display stretching across the front. The Lexus steering wheel keeps a traditional round shape, which makes the cabin feel practical and easy to use. The center console looks premium with physical style controls, cup holders, and glossy tech surfaces, giving the interior a balance between futuristic and familiar. Natural light enters through the panoramic glass roof, making the cabin feel larger and more relaxing. Through the windshield and side windows, the luxury residential background adds to the premium lifestyle feel of this SUV. The second row is one of the strongest parts of this Lexus TZ. The beige captain chairs look comfortable, wide, and upscale. The seats have a clean, luxury design with soft leather texture, supportive bolsters, individual armrests, and extended leg rests. This gives the rear cabin a first-class lounge feeling. The second-row center console adds extra comfort with cup holders and storage, while the door panels continue the same beige and black color theme. The blue ambient lighting gives the cabin a modern touch without making it look too flashy. With the panoramic roof above and large windows around the cabin, the rear seats feel open, calm, and very premium. This is the kind of interior that makes the TZ feel more than just an electric SUV. It feels like a luxury travel space. Overall, the 2027 Lexus TZ looks like a bold step into the future for Lexus. The shaded ivy exterior gives it a mature and expensive appearance, while the beige interior adds warmth and elegance. The front end is sharp, the rear design is clean, and the interior feels spacious, comfortable, and high-tech. So, what do you think of the 2027 Lexus TZ? Does this shaded ivy color make it look more premium than the usual black, white, or silver luxury SUVs? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching Auto Tech Report. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more future car reviews, luxury SUV first looks, and the latest automotive updates.